We got a 2024 BMW X4 key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. So we're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom first. If you look right here on the left, the steering of the remote, there's a button. Push that button, and you can pull out the emergency key. Now, if you're wondering what this key does, it opens the driver's door. Okay. So once we have that off, there's a little slot right at the bottom of this thing, right here, that's going to allow us to pull this panel off. So you get yourself a little flat-out screwdriver, put it in there, just give it a twist, okay, and it'll crack open like that. And we can just take off the rest of it, okay? And here's our battery right here. And we use our flathead screwdriver. Let's turn it upside down and pry the battery out. So it comes out from the bottom, basically, okay? Here's the size of the battery. It's a CR 2032. I will have a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can buy a new battery if you need one. Positive sign facing outwards. Okay, so we're gonna turn the remote over like that. So the top of the remote goes in first, like this, and then you just click it in there like that. All right, turn the remote back over. It's got these 2 feet right here that are gonna slide in the remote. Be a little bit tricky, sorry. So I got a camera in my way, so mess this up. All right, it slides in like that. Sorry about that. Then you just click it on there, put the emergency key back in, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you'd hit that like button for me, and possibly leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.